Real estate platforms today all look the same. They show listings, they show photos, and they ask you to call an agent. But real estate buyers want more than that. They want answers. Investors want real data. And agents want to stop wasting time on the wrong leads. So we at iTechnolabs built a Zillow-style platform with the latest powerful AI features built into every part of it. Here are some features that'll make your real estate platform future-ready and stand out from your competitors. Feature 1. AI Property Valuation. Most platforms give you a price estimate with zero context. But how about a platform that tells you why a property is priced the way it is? The AI looks at location advantages, recent sales activity in the area, market trends, and property-specific factors. Then it breaks all of that down so the buyer or seller can actually understand the number in front of them. There is also a confidence level attached to every estimate, along with a realistic price range based on current market conditions. And comparable sold properties are shown right below, so users can benchmark the valuation against real transactions. This is what builds trust. Not just a number, but the reasoning behind it. Nobody thinks in filters. People think in preferences. With this feature, buyers just type what they are looking for in plain language. The type of home, their budget, the kind of neighborhood they want, proximity to schools or transit. Just like they would describe it to a friend. The AI reads the intent behind the search and pulls up matched listings instantly. Each result gets a match score so buyers know immediately which properties fit best. Small tags below each listing explain exactly why it matched. Simple, clear, and transparent. This turns property search from a chore into a conversation. Feature 3. Predictive Investment Scoring. For investors, this feature does the heavy lifting. Every property gets an AI-generated investment score based on rental yield potential, neighborhood growth, upcoming infrastructure in the area, and historical price appreciation. The score is broken down into individual factors so investors can see exactly where a property is strong and where the risks are. A plain language AI summary explains the investment case without any technical jargon, and a multi-year price projection gives investors a forward-looking view based on current market data. Research that used to take hours now takes seconds. Feature 4. AI Mortgage and Affordability Advisor. One of the biggest questions any buyer has is simple. Can I actually afford this? This feature answers it directly. Buyers enter their income, down payment, credit profile, and preferred loan term. The AI calculates a recommended loan amount, an estimated monthly payment, and a suitable interest rate range based on their financial situation. It also surfaces matched loan options from multiple lenders, each with an AI fit score tailored to that buyer's profile. And right below that, the platform shows properties that fall within the buyer's actual affordability range, from wondering to deciding, all in one place. Feature 5. Smart Lead Qualification for Agents. This one is for real estate agents. Most agents spend too much time chasing leads that were never serious buyers. This feature fixes that. Every incoming lead is automatically scored by the AI based on browsing behavior, budget signals, and engagement level. The lead list is then ranked automatically. The most serious buyers rise to the top. Clicking on any lead shows a full AI summary of that person's intent and activity, along with the suggested next action. Feature 6. Neighborhood Intelligence Dashboard. The last feature is one buyer thinks about a lot but rarely get real answers on. Choosing the right neighborhood matters just as much as choosing the right home. Select any area and the platform instantly shows key scores across safety, school quality, walkability, commute convenience, and future growth potential. The AI surfaces relevant local developments automatically. New transit lines, employment hubs, school ratings, infrastructure projects, all in one view, without any manual research. A price trend chart at the bottom shows how property values in that area have moved over time, so buyers and investors can make a more informed location decision. The research that used to take a weekend now takes 30 seconds, 6 features, 1 platform. Built to help buyers, investors, and agents make smarter decisions at every step. If you want to build a real estate platform like this with AI at its core, this is what we do at iTechnolabs. Check the link in the description or reach out directly. We would love to help you build it.